Just toss pepperoni on mashed potatoes for a quick 3-ingredient lunch. Start by boiling 1 kilogram of diced potatoes in a pot of water. Meanwhile, slice some pepperoni and add it to a frying pan. Let the pepperoni fry until crispy. Once fried, set it aside. In the same pan, add the cooked potatoes. Use a fork to lightly mash them. Add a tablespoon of butter and some milk, then mash well. Now add salt to taste. Mash it again. Spread it in the pan and top with all the pepperoni. Finish with a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. I'm using my pour in the kitchen pan, good for stovetop and oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese melts. Look how amazing this potato and pepperoni casserole turns out. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. To buy our cookware, click the link in the description or comments. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick dish from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks.